Hello, everybody, YouTube. This is Exclusion Owner, and guess what I just found? One Kombat Arcade Collector's Edition Arcade Stick Board for PS3. Sadly, that I don't have this for the for Xbox 360. That's really sad. Sorry about the notes. I just put the volume down by accident. I just put the volume on for the logs. That's Android phone that I just have. So anyways, let me show you this arcade stick board. Pick it up. This is an arcade stick right here. One button, low punch, high punch, block, high kick, low kick. This is the PlayStation symbol right here. Select, start, and L2, L1 button. See right here. And this is L2, R1 over here. This is for the PS3. I mean, what kind of arcade collection for the PS3 if you have that game? It's a great board stick. I think board stick and this to play more Kombat games, more Kombat 1, more Kombat 2, also more Kombat 3. I wish the Xbox arcade will hopefully. I wish our Xbox to release the Mortal Kombat trilogy, but that's not gonna happen. That's really suck. Should have put that Mortal Kombat 1 and 2 in trilogy instead of the Ultimate Mortal Kombat 3. So what? It was right here. Mortal Kombat Classic Limited Edition Fight Stick. There's a USB port for the PS3 cable connected to the PS3 system. Play this game. Well, that's it. That is the clip I just finished. Well, this is the end of it. Just leave a comment down below and see what you think and give it thumbs up. So, that's it. Once again, this is Exclusion Owner. Peace out.